Hey everyone, it's Matt. I'm the editor at large at IGN. I'm here with Scott Lowe, who's our gear editor. And I think one question everyone wants to know is, how well does the iPad keyboard work? So we're going to put that to the test right now, and I'm very inexperienced. I've had my iPad for about a day. I'm going to show you just how horrible I am at typing on it, or how good I am.
Yeah, so I'm going to time Matt. I'm going to dictate a paragraph to him, and we'll compare it to how fast it is on the keyboard and how fast it is on the actual iPad.
We're going to start with the laptop here, and then we're going to go to the iPad afterward.
Alright, I'm starting the clock now. Scott Lowe is the greatest editor in IGN history.
This is such a lie. Yep, got it.
His word usage is unparalleled.
Got it.
His wit is uncompromising.
Uh-oh. Got it.
His literal prowess is only surpassed by his ravishing good looks.
Uh-oh. Ravishing.
Good looks.
Uh-oh, we got a typo. Alright.
Stop. 38.9 seconds.
And probably a good 10 seconds of that was me, so
Yeah.
we'll try again here.
So,
With the iPad now.
yep.
This is going to be a disaster.
38.9 was your good last time.
I'm going to guess 5 minutes.
Alright. Alright.
Alright, ready? Here we
Ready, set, go.
go. Uh-oh. Scott Lowe is... Can you read it to me?
The greatest editor in IGN history. His word usage is unparalleled.
Uh-oh, we got problems here. I-G.
Yeah, you better make sure you capitalize IGN.
His word usage
Is unparalleled. His wit is uncompromising.
Uh-oh. This has to be perfect, right?
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you, autocorrect.
Thank you. His wit... What is this?
Is uncompromising.
Is uncompromising. Got it.
His literal prowess is only surpassed by his ravishing good looks.
How did that come up? Literal prowess is only surpassed. Uh-oh.
Whoa.
By his ravishing good looks. Are we done?
And stop. 1 minute and 48 seconds.
Ooh, that's not
So you went
pretty.
from 39 seconds to 1 minute and 48.
Yeah, so it more than doubled. However, again, this is me just sucking. I bet the difference is more likely about.
Plus, you've only
45
had about
seconds.
2 days with this. With a little extra practice, you might get down to maybe about a minute 10.
I'm gonna do another test. Let me see here. I think it's the lies that I was forced to write.
Yeah,
Let's try
I
something else
disagree with
here.